Tag, Harry Potter, Hogwarts.
Now we're leaving on a jet plane.
Hi there, if you're new here, welcome. If not, I'm glad you're back. Well, you can just sit in the couch while others leave their best lives, or you make a better one by doing any one of the 146 other things. No, I'm just glad you all are joining me, and of course, this search as we stumble what life has to offer aside from coffee. Oh, anyway, with this disclaimer being one of the most mundane person in the world, I'm just Megan. Well, I'm thinking if I will get matcha or should I make matcha na lang here? Hmm. Because I actually want dirty matcha, pero I can't. Okay, let's just make matcha. Hey guys, so let's just make matcha for today. I decided na I'll just make one instead of buying one. So wait, I know how naman eh. Is it okay there? Is the camera okay there? Or just put that there? Yeah. So ingredients for the matcha, we have this matcha powder, and then my whisk din dito, the legit matcha whisk. So I think we also got this one, so it's pear, and then yung parang tinatamad na ako. I'm looking for like this strainer. This strainer. Okay, so it's all ready. And then this one, the matcha bowl. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm actually making matcha already and I forgot to turn the camera on.
Oh no!
It's fine. What I did, I just put the matcha powder and then put that there. Oh, you done. Well, it smells really, really good. Okay lang. Hindi nyo na nakita yung aesthetic part.
What?
But it's fine. I'll just put water here. Just a little bit of water. And then let's whisk it. For cute na yung color. I think the color is perfect already. And then I will put it na here sa glass. Ta-da! And then I will just make coffee because I want dirty matcha. So I will just mix this a coffee and then that's it.
Now we're leaving on a jet plane. I actually brought my matcha.
Hey guys, so I realized na baliktad pala pagka-edit ko ng video na to. So, to give a spoiler, nagka-crave pala ako ng karage. That's why we're getting karage for dinner. And yeah, that's my order. That's me showing my order. Ubos ng social battery ko guys, and I really hate filming in public and ayaw pa mag-focus ng camera. By the way, this is the original Karage and nag-crave lang ako kasi napanood ko siya sa pinapanood ko na series which is the Cinderella Closet Segway. Panoorin nyo, which is really cute. Magka-crave din kayo ng Karage for sure. Kasi, oh my god, yung girl doon na babae, pinagluto niya ng Karage, yung guy na gusto niya, and then they did, oh my god, why am I telling this story? Never mind. But yeah, don't mind the video, that's only the clip of me eating. Ew. Today, we're gonna go unboxing. So, I'm gonna show you some items that I got recently. So, let's start with this pouch. Well, the color is really cute. It's silver and pink. Oh, it also comes with this cute ribbon. I didn't expect it to be this big. I thought small pouch lang siya. It's cute. I don't know if I put the ribbon correctly, but yeah, I think the color is so cute. The combination, it's cute. Pero I think mas cute ba kung walang ribbon? This is just a makeup pouch. Pero parang cute siya pang bag, no? And the next item that we got is this. What is this? Oh, so it's a Harry Potter like headband. A tag, Harry Potter there. Hogwarts. This is the other one. The last is just a red headband with a Harry Potter patch. Cute. The last item that we got for today are these sunglasses. So we got 6 pairs. I don't think I'm gonna show you everything, but yeah, it's just 6 pairs of sunglasses. Kasi every time I wear sunglasses, palagi ko siyang nawawala. So I bought just cheap ones and a lot of them so that kapag nawala, okay lang. So that is the item that we got, and the itinerary for today. I think I wanna make some matcha. Well, if you guys didn't know, I'm more like a K-drama girly. So, pero lately, nakita ko kasi sa Netflix na my most like series doon, and it's Japanese. It's Cinderella Shoes. Oh, no. It's called Cinderella Closet, and I think it's Japanese, and it's surprisingly good. Medyo cliche yung story niya where the main lead is a cross-dresser and then like best friend sila, and then the girl has feelings for other guy. Then more like the cliche best friend na falls sa other best friend type of story. Pero it's really good, and they're actually eating karage. So, parang nagke-crave ako. Is it just me? Is it weird? Like, whatever series or movies I'm watching, parang nagke-crave ako sa mga pinapanood ko. Well, I'm actually thinking of eating karage for dinner because of that. So, let's see. I think I also want to wear this Harry Potter headband. Let's see if bagay siya. Oh my gulay. Parang hindi bagay. Parang hindi bagay. I don't think it's bagay. Parang hindi bagay. Okay lang siguro pag... Oh, should I wear a red hoodie para magbagay siya. I think I should wear a red hoodie. Let me just check if I have a red hoodie. I've got a... Is this red? Oh my gosh. If I wear this, parang okay. Parang okay. If I wear this and then the hoodie. Right? I'll just change. Hey guys, so this is how it looks like with a hoodie. I think it's so much better. Mas bagay. Mas bagay siya with a hoodie though. Okay lang ba? Parang cute kasi yung mga headband lately. And should I put some earrings? What earrings will make bagay? And this is my cute jewelry box. I also got some earrings there, pero yung mga favorite ko nandito sa jewelry box. I think this one is super cute. It's like a heart-shaped earrings, pero it looks like this. Suotin ko na lang. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's bagay. Kasi gold rin yung print ng Harry Potter. So, bagay yung gold earrings. And I'm not really wearing silver jewelry that much. I'm more like a gold girly. Parang ganyan siya. And then you pull at the back. Yan. Super cute. Yeah, I think this is a good fit now compared to earlier. I think this is a good fit.